CreateSpace has a tool called Stencil Bridge to give you stencil-like effects on your own system fonts. Here is an example on how this font would cut out if you didn't use Stencil Bridge. So if we scroll up here, this is your paper or vinyl, and here are the letters. You can see that the E, the inside of the E, the inside of the D, kind of just drops out. Well, you can create a stencil effect using the Stencil Bridge, and the Stencil Bridge is found right here. Now, how do you use it? Well, you can see that I'm left-clicking and holding. I'm sort of getting this little blue band here, and that blue band represents what is going to be removed if I let go of the mouse. You'll notice that I can swing this all around, and if I hold the Shift button down, it sort of gives me a straight edge, meaning that I'm wiggling my mouse and I am staying completely horizontal. It does give you snapping abilities if you want to use it that way. Now, I increased that Stencil Bridge size on purpose just to give you a visualization. You can adjust the size up here. And the best thing to do whenever you're doing the Stencil Bridge is you want to actually zoom in on the letters that you're trying to alter. So in this example here, I want to focus on the E. And the first thing that I do is I'm going to test out the Stencil Bridge. So right now I have it set to 0.1, and I'm just going to drag it here in a white space. And my decision on this, it's a little big. So I'm going to knock this down to 0.05 and take a look at it. That width looks really good. So I'm going to go to the E. I'm going to click. I'm going to hold my Shift button down, and then I'm going to bring it down and let go. So now you can see that we created our first stenciled letter. I can scroll to the next letter and go to it. And that is how you utilize Stencil Bridge. We can go ahead and zoom out and see the work that we've done. So as you can see, if we're going to actually cut this out, the inside of the E, the inside of this D is not going to just simply fall out. So that is Stencil Bridge inside of CreateSpace.